so Carmen has 2 bad knees. Tell me a little bit, Carmen, pain-wise, I think, which one did you say was the worst?
Right.
Right, 0 to 10, how bad's it been lately?
I'm going to say maybe 8.
And you said it was hard to do certain things like going up and down stairs.
Yes.
You have to do the one leg at a time, or one leg first every time
Yes.
to go up and down stairs. Any other activities that are kind of hard to do?
Walking.
Just being on your feet a lot.
Being on my feet a lot.
So, just how hard is it like to get up out of a chair? Is that very difficult?
No.
You can kind of get up pretty easy, and you
Yeah,
can start walking, but it's after you're on your feet for a while, it's kind of hard.
Yes.
So what we're going to get to see though is over a period of time after her regen shots is if Carmen can now walk up and down stairs normally and not have to do that one-legged, and how long she can walk without a big pain or a big problem.
Okay.
So we're going to see in the next few weeks and months how this goes. Sound good?
Sounds good.
That's our starting point.
Great.